मेड इन इंडिया या मेक इन इंडिया या आत्मनिर्भर अभियान। अबे ये क्या है? किसने लिखी है? ये स्क्रिप्ट है नहीं। बताओ यार, एक नाम ही सोच सकते तुम लोग। यार ये क्या बात होती है? मेड इन इंडिया AKA आत्मनिर्भर अभियान एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सा टॉपिक है नहीं, स्पेशली मेड इन इंडिया, क्योंकि सुन के ऐसा लगता है ये पहले भी कभी सुना है। वेल, ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि ये कोई नया टॉपिक नहीं। मेड इन इंडिया was launched by a lovely Indian government on 25th September 2014. This policy was made to encourage companies to manufacture their products in India and incentivize dedicated investments into manufacturing. ये विकिपीडिया का ज्ञान सुन के होपफुली एक आइडिया हो गया हो कि ये एग्जैक्टली है क्या। बट आजकल इसी टॉपिक को बहुत बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है, which mainly started from the boycott China movement, where, as we all know, India banned 52 Chinese apps, including TikTok and CamScanner, which were one of the most used apps in India, especially TikTok. गवर्नमेंट के इसी मूव की वजह से इस बार मेड इन इंडिया लोगों में बहुत सीरियसली लिया गया, more than ever, because of their rage. More fuel to the fire was that hypothetically China was the one responsible for the pandemic. Well, that's a story for another time. अब तुम लोग सोचोगे कि मैं इस टॉपिक पे वीडियो क्यों बना रहा हूँ if everyone knows about it. Well, there are two main reasons. Firstly, there are still many people who are not fully aware about the movement and its current situation. Secondly, most people who are aware about the movement don't fully understand what it is about and how they will commit to it. अगर तुम इनमें से किसी भी कैटेगरी में आते हो, then keep watching, I guess. Now, the motive is pretty self-explanatory by the name. Buy Indian goods or buy goods that are made in India. Well, let's just say it's the iceberg from Titanic case here. Simple at face value, but complex in practice. This complexity, so to speak, mainly arises by the vagueness in people's understanding of the policy, which leads to questions like, what is considered as made in India? What do I do to help? Should I throw away any items not made in India? Being asked by many. Let's answer some of these questions. What is considered as made in India? Any product that is manufactured or its materials are assembled in India categorizes under made in India. What do I do to help? Just don't intentionally buy anything while knowing that it isn't made in India. Do the most effort you can to research on any item's manufacturing location. And don't think that you're tied to a chain and are strictly prohibited to touch any foreign object, especially if it's hot Cheetos. Should I throw away any items not made in India? No! Don't just any object out of your balcony just because you think it's a foreign entity. You're just wasting your money. Nothing's gonna come of you throwing your Honor 5 watch out of your window. Please just don't do it! The movement is there to make people aware and advise them to stop buying any foreign items, especially Chinese. Same is the case with MI. लोग बिना कोई रिसर्च के इंस्टेंटली ये बोल के कि MI एक चाइनीज कंपनी है, अपने इतने अच्छे चलने वाले गुड फॉर द प्राइस फोन को फेंक के तोड़ देते हैं. But in this case, one Google search revealed that almost all of the MI brand phones sold in India are manufactured here. That's exactly why they're so cheap, and that's exactly why iPhones are so expensive. Now, if all that isn't enough to convince you to join the movement, then I will give you 3 more reasons why you should. Number 1, as I briefly mentioned before, Indian goods are cheaper. Number 2, increasing demand for Indian goods opens up job opportunities for a lot of people. Number 3, it increases our GDP and makes the value of the rupee go up, which will result in cheaper iPhones. And most importantly, You will not have to buy a bag of hot Cheetos for 700. Now, if all that is not enough to convince you, I really don't know what to do. But if you are convinced or तुम मदद करना चाहते हो, then spread the message. Click the first link in the description and take a pledge. Post it in your story or status anywhere. Just share it along with this video and show your support. And that's about it. And I will see you next time. Peace.